When it comes to cooking bacon, using your oven has a lot of advantages. Your whole house won't be smoky. The oven is actually going to cook the bacon consistently, and when the bacon is done roasting, that means all of it is done. There aren't going to be any raw or burnt spots. It's also great for cooking for a crowd, but best of all, this method is super hands-off. Adjust an oven rack to the middle position and then heat the oven to 400 degrees. Arrange 12 slices of bacon on a rim baking sheet lined with some aluminum foil. Just be sure that the baking sheet is at least 3/4 of an inch in height for the rendered bacon fat. Roast the bacon until the fat begins to render 5 to 6 minutes. Then rotate the sheet pan and then continue roasting until the bacon is crisp and brown. 5 to 6 minutes longer for thin sliced bacon and 8 to 10 minutes longer for thick cut. Using some tongs, go ahead and transfer the bacon to a paper towel lined plate. Let it sit for a few minutes and then enjoy. If you want more quick tips or weeknight friendly recipes, check out my series, Today's Special, on America's Test Kitchen's YouTube channel.